How do you pronounce these Irish or Scottish male given name? We'll be looking at how to say more confusing Gaelic names or Gaelic names. It's got a Hebrew origin via Latin originally. So let's break down the pronunciation. It's actually easy. The spelling is confusing. Seamus. Okay, so you have a she sound, a long E sound here, a SH sound. She must. Seamus is how you pronounce it, so it's very easy, right? Once you know, and now you know. Seamus is how you say it. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching.